Okay, greetings everyone. Today our group will present about how vertical farms bring fresh food to booming cities for cost code BBM40402 production control. Okay, next. Okay, first of all, I want to introduce our group members. First is Hafiz Shazwan bin Nasib, that is me. With number metric DB1800084. Okay, next we have Muhammad Najmi bin Abdul Rahman with number metric DB180058. And last but not least, Abang Muhammad Azlan bin Abang Muhammad Alwi with number metric DB180030. Okay, our lecturer name is Professor Madya TS Dr. Johnson Lim Sun Chong. Next. Okay, what is Skygreen? Okay, about first slide is about Skygreen from Singapore. Okay, Skygreens is the first hydraulically powered low carbon vertical farm in the world. Okay, producing healthy, tasty, and fresh veggies with the least amount of land, water, and energy possible is possible with the help of green urban solution. At Skygreens, the holding company of Sky Urban Solution Holding (PTE Ltd), new innovation in urban agricultural solutions are always being developed. Luckily, ground vegetables in Singapore currently constitute only 7% of local consumption. Demand for local vegetables exceeds supply. Singaporeans trust the quality, freshness, and safety of local vegetables grown using good agricultural practice under the supervision of the Agri-Food and Veterinary Authority of Singapore. The next. Okay, first of our task is business model. Okay, the business model in the video that we found is concept of vegetable crops by using only the crop area due to limited space. Okay, it used micro farm system and it used manufacturer distribution business model, which is supply and demand. Skygreens also use import and export concept. Last but not least, direct selling to suppliers among the country. Okay, next.
Okay, I will continue for the concept of production control. The first one is generate vegetable efficiency, produce at minimal cost and optimal yields for the domestic market, and then reduce dependence on other countries for imports about vegetables, and then control and ensure input, source of raw materials, labor workers, and utility bills are efficient and low. And then control food preparation, prevent overproduction or potential waste, loss from inefficient purchase and processing, and loss from excessive portion size. And then vertical farm in Singapore were able to boost the production of vegetable. Next one, employee empowerment. Each production process will involve employees in every step, and then continuous improvement, daily fresh vegetable produce and productivity increase while the cost of production minimized. They use Taguchi method of quality control, which is loss of cost calculated. And then the last one is centralization on supply and demand to supply bundle of vegetable to wholesale market and then distribute to Singapore. Next challenge of operation. The first one is high construction cost to build the Skygreen tower vegetable, and then meet the needs of consumer across the country. Next, high energy and water consumption, and then only plant small type of vegetable, climate related disruption, and the last one is price competition.
Okay, next is I'm going to present for this part. Overall operation efficiency can be improved by utilization of solar energy to cover the cost of electricity. Second, utilization of machine for replanting and harvesting the vegetable. And third, need a strong management team. Fourth, regular maintenance should be done. And the fifth, utilization of wind turbine and hydro pump as addition of the energy supply. Next. Okay, now we see the impact of the technology applied toward current industry practice and job market. Okay, the first one is a high and consistent increase in revenue. Second, dependence on manpower. Third, proper inventory and raw material the facility has in store should be available and update on a regular basis. Documentation of where the supply come from. And fifth, who work at the facility must be properly trained and competent for their position. Six, encourage industry from all around the world to create more technology like this. Seven, loss of job. And the last one is specialists will be needed for maintenance. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention.